In this video, we'll be discussing the latest leak on the upcoming Google Pixel 7a. The renders and official cases have been leaked ahead of the launch, revealing the design and color options of the mid-range smartphone. So, let's dive in and see what the new Google Pixel 7a has in store for us. Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 7a. As you know, the Google I/O event is around the corner, and the company is expected to launch the mid-range smartphone on May 10th. But before that, we have got our hands on some leaked renders and official cases of the Google Pixel 7a, giving us a sneak peek into the design and color options. According to a report by winfuture.de, the Google Pixel 7a will have much of the same technology as last year's Google Pixel 7 series flagship phones, including the Google Tensor G2 octa-core processor. The phone is said to have a full-screen display with a hole in the middle, just like the Google Pixel 6a. The back of the device will have a camera module in the shape of a visor, similar to what we have seen in other phones in the Google Pixel 7 lineup. Moving on to the color options, the leaked images show that the Google Pixel 7a will be available in 3 colors: blue, gray, and white. This confirms what a recent report indicated about the design and color options. However, as per the report, the tech giant could also make it available in another color that would only be sold through the company's online store. Apart from the design and color options, the new leak also shows that there will be 3 official cases for the Google Pixel 7a. The tech giant is said to be making a case for each color of the Pixel 7a. There will be a Google logo and a horizontal hole for the visor-shaped camera on the back of the Google Pixel 7a cases. So, that's all we have for today's video. The Google Pixel 7a looks like it's going to be a great mid-range smartphone with some fantastic features. As per recent reports, the phone might be priced at $499, approximate 41,000 rupees. We are excited to see what Google has in store for us at the I/O Developer Conference on May 10th. So, stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the Google Pixel 7a. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech news and reviews.